Hello guys, this is me Bhattarai from Leap Breathe SEO. Today I'm going to tell you how you can build your email list from the scratch. Many bloggers and business owners don't realize the importance of building an email list when they are first starting out. However, most people usually change their mind when they see an impact a email list can have on someone else's traffic and revenue. So in this tutorial I'll share how you can build your own email list super fast. Okay, so I will go to google.com. I will simply type, let's just say I want to find out the email prospects of SEO people in Nepal. Okay, so I would simply type SEO and I will simply do a colon and at gmail.com, inverted commas, and type in Nepal. So while entering this, I will simply Control A and go to debounce email extractor from text. So I'll simply copy and paste that and extract emails. So did you see the magic, guys? You can easily get the email list of SEO people or companies from Nepal in one shot. So this is awesome, right? Now you want to, paste your idea of your business to these email addresses, or you can, build an email list and through an email marketing campaign through, MailChimp or maybe ConvertKit or whatever email platform you use. Okay, thanks guys. See ya.